Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to blend this slime in. Remember the old slime I had? That's the slime but with shaving cream in it. I'll show you which shaving cream it is to get if you want to do it. This one. So all I done was add a blob onto it. And then I closed the lid, just cleaned that bit. Rub that bit on my hands so it doesn't stick to your hands. And I'll grab that, push it down, and then I kept blending it, but shaving cream does go on your hands. Coming to the end of my video soon now guys, so I'll show you how I just mixing it all in like this and that guys, and yeah, almost done now guys. I'll show you my hand now. It's almost done now guys. So yeah guys, yeah, it's done now, and look at that. It does look white to you guys, but it's actually quite pink. It's baby pinkish. So yeah, this is coming to my end of the video now guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment down below and give it a big thumbs up. See you guys later. And then all I done then is just clean it. See you guys later. Bye.